Hiranya? Yes, children. So today we talk about degrees of comparison. Okay. One of you say some adjectives, ma. Describe yourself in adjectives. Hiranya.
Sir.
Yes. Give the definition for
Good
an
morning,
adjective.
sir.
Good morning. Yes. An adjective is a describing word.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning. Yes. Today we are talking about degrees. In the unit 2, children, we have completed, so except the project, we have completed everything. And listening part also we haven't done, right? Okay. Yes. So in degrees of comparison, we have 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, right? Okay. So what is the positive degree, children? Any student can answer. I told you yesterday. I'll help you to change from different degrees, positive to comparative, comparative superlative, superlative, okay, positive, like that. Yes, can you see some adjectives that I write on the board, all of you? Okay. Yes, children, can you see the board?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, ma. Okay, so I draw here positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay, positive, positive, comparative, comparative, superlative. Okay, so give an example for positive degree. Give an adjective.
Sir, good.
Good. Comparative,
Better.
better, better. Superlative,
Best.
best. Okay, good, better, best. Next, bad,
Was worst. Worst.
bad, worse,
Was correct. Worst.
worse, worst. Some people say worst. No, worst. So bad, worse, worst. Next, tall,
Taller. Tallest. Taller.
taller, tallest. Okay. Next, some more.
Much more. Most.
Yes, very important. Much more, most. Okay. One more important one.
Little less. Least.
Very good. Little less. Right somewhere this. Little less, least. Okay. So positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Little, less, least. Children, So now I remind you regarding the stress. You know what is the stress? What is the stress? Giving force or maybe strong breath to a word, that is called as a stress. Understood? For example, when you say a word good, how many times that you are saying? How many times you are stressing, children, the word good? How many times? How many times that you utterance takes place?
Two times.
Two times you are saying good. Are
One
you
time,
saying
sir.
only
One
one
time.
time.
yes?
One time.
So the stress is we are stressing only once. Say good, only one utterance. Bad, how many utterance?
One.
One
One.
utterance. Tall, how many?
One.
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 Much, how many?
One.
One. Little, how many?
Two.
Huh? Little. Little, you have to say, not little. Little. Okay? One. Okay. So, all these words, children, they have, okay, single syllable. Single syllable. How many syllables? Syllable. A syllable is a single unit of a word or single unit of utterance. It is called as a syllable. So positive degree, good, only once we are saying. Bad, only once we are saying. Tall, only once. Much, little. Clear? So only for these words, understood? Comparative and superlative, okay, it is formed with, it is formed with er. Understood? Okay, or maybe irregular comparison or irregular comparative words. Okay, taller, more, less. But whereas these are irregular, most of them except taller. This is not irregular. Next, better. This is also, this is irregular. Okay, they end with the er form. Remember this. For example, tall, one utterance, we say taller, tallest. Thin, one utterance, thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay, and for example, big, bigger, biggest. Most of the one syllable words, if they are, okay, regular, they end with the er form. Understood? Great, greater, greatest, er forms. Remember that they are very important. Have you note down these things, children? Yes, did you note down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, now what do you do? I'll arrange this again. I will be teaching you same concept. Okay. Okay. So by the time we revise the concept, okay. So what is the positive degree, children? Hmm. Any student? What is positive degree? Abhinaya. Yes.
Sir, can I?
Yes. Still.
Sir, positive degree will not compare, sir, with anything.
Yes. In positive degree, we will not compare to anything. See here, children. You need to have a distinction between uh, syllables. Monosyllable words. Monosyllable. Monosyllable adjectives. You know monosyllable adjectives? Yes. Mono. Okay. Polysyllable. Polysyllable means, what is polysyllable? Monosyllable adjective, polysyllable adjective. Mono means one syllable. Okay. Tall. Okay. Polysyllable, beautiful. Tall. Here, beautiful. So here, mono means only once we are uttering. Tall, only once. But whereas beautiful, okay, beautiful, beautiful, three times. Mono. Mono means many times we utter, right? Are you understanding? Tall, beautiful. Next, big. How many times you are saying? Only once. Big. So here, one more polysyllable. Say one of you, one more example, polysyllable. Hmm?
Sir, good.
Not good.
Unbearable.
Some other things.
Unbearable, sir.
Sir, old.
Old, older,
Old.
oldest. This is for old. I want for polysyllable. Beautiful. Handsome. Like that. Handsome. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. We can say. And what else? Cleverer, cleverer, cleverest. We can say clever for more clever, most clever also we can say. Clever. Clever. Okay, fine. See the difference, children. So, tall, only once we are saying. Bigger, only once we are saying. Old, once we are saying. Beautiful, thrice we are saying. And handsome, twice. Polly. Clever, twice. So, the words which has monosyllable, only one syllable. Okay. All of you understand, children. We add er in 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 comparative degree. Understand? Tall, taller. Big, bigger. Old, older. Are you understanding? Understood? Thin, thinner. Only for the monosyllable adjectives, we use er forms. Tall, taller, big, bigger, old, older, thin, thinner. Are you following? Yes. Now, polysyllable words, we don't keep ear to beautiful. Do we keep ear, children?
No, sir.
No, we
No,
don't
sir.
keep. So instead, what we do, we add more,
More.
more in comparative degree. Okay. Most in superlative degree. Remember this. I suppose it's very clear for you. For monosyllable adjectives, we add er to tall, big, old, thin, etc. But whereas for polysyllable words, we don't keep er. Instead, what we do? Instead, we add
More
more
and most.
and most. In comparative degree, we add more beautiful, more handsome, more clever. Understood? And most is used for superlative degree. Most beautiful, most handsome boy, most clever student. Okay. Even for high also, high, higher, highest. Great, greater, greatest. Like that, there are many examples we have. Okay, did you understand, children, this concept up to here? The syllable division. Yes. So here syllable means nothing. The utterance, how many times it takes place. Breaking of the word, how many times. Tall, we don't break. That is why it is a single word. But whereas polysyllable, okay, we break beautiful into three words: beautiful, handsome, clever. Clear? That is the syllable division. For one syllable words, we use er. For more than one syllable words, we use more or most. Remember. Okay, clear? Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll go to the changing of adjectives, because you have to know it. It will come in the examination also. In the textbook, they give only some hints to us, adding er, est, like for kids. But whereas in the examination, they will be asking you to change from positive to comparative to superlative. Okay. So here some rules are there. When you're changing from positive to comparative to superlative, some rules are there. So what are those rules? I'll tell you. Yes. Have you learned those rules, children, anytime? Yes? No. Have you learned or not? Ritvi, sir, don't ask me, because I'm doing some other work. You are teaching. Hmm? Nishita, respond now and then. Okay, good. Look here. Rule 1, very important, children. Rule 1. Okay. Comparison of equals is expressed by, write down, children. Comparison of equals is expressed by as adjective as, right? As adjective as. Very important, children. Many times they asked in the exam. Clear? Rule 1. Whenever you compare, the comparison of equals is expressed by as adjective as. So what does it mean? By giving example, you will be understanding. Okay. Raman is Raman Raman is as intelligent as Rehan. See the example, all of you children. Raman is as intelligent as Rehan. Okay, who is intelligent here?
Raman.
Raman is intelligent.
Rehan, sir.
Rehan is intelligent. Raman is as intelligent as Rehan. Who is intelligent?
Sir, equal.
Yes. So, comparison of equals, see the definition. Equals is expressed by, whenever, if you want to express the comparison of the equals between you and your friend, between Raman and Rehan. Both of them are equal comparison. Both of them are equal. Intelligence is there. Both of them are intelligent people. Clear? So that is why Raman is as intelligent as Rehan. They have the same ability. No doubt in that. So when you are, if you want to compare like that, you have to use as, adjective, as. Remember this, children? Clear? This is a way of saying it. For saying positive sentences, we use second one. See, not second one, in rule one only. We use as, adjective, as for positive sentences. Okay. Positive sentences. Positive sentences. See, children, all of you. Okay. For positive sentences, we have to use as, adjective, as. Remember this. Not for negative sentences. Understood, all of you? Only for referring positive sentences, we have to use as, adjective, as good as. Okay. Understood, all of you? Suman is as good as Ashok. So what does it mean? Is it a positive or negative? Yes. Suman.
Positive, sir.
Suman is as good as Ashok. Which means,
Positive sentence.
yes, it's a comparison between two equals. Understood, all of you? So it is a positive sentence. Now, rule 2, negative sentence. So when negative sentence, if you want to say with as, so how we have to say? We have to know. Did you write this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, write rule 2. So any idea, children? What is the rule 2? How to express as the negative sentence? Hmm? Guess at least. Hmm? So negative sentences we use. Okay. So adjective, adjective, as. So as we have to use. For negative sentences, children, we have to use so, adjective, as. Neeru is not so tall as Damini. Neeru is, example. Neeru is, Neeru is not so tall as Neeru is not so tall as Damini. And yes, how do you identify whether it is a positive sentence or negative sentence?
Sir, with so, sir.
Yes, with
Sir, so.
yes.
Here
So
is
here, not form. first, if you want to make a negative sentence, you need to put not form first. Clear? Then afterwards, okay, so adjective, then followed by as. So adjective as, so tall as has to be in negative sentence. Not so adjective tall, then followed by as. Niru is not so tall as Damini. Give one more example, children. Your own example. Yes. Sneha is not so intelligent as Swapna. Sneha is not so intelligent as Swapna. You give your own example. Abhinay Rao. Give an example. Abhinash. Give your own example for negative sentence.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Sir, Neha is not short as Damini.
Okay, very good. One more student. Vivek. Vivek.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Swapna is not so thin as Ritu.
Swapna is not so thin as Ritu.
Ritu.
Not so. So you need to identify not so is there. That is why it is a negative sentence. Understood, children? Rule 1 and rule 2. So what is the rule 1? Tell me.
Sir,
Comparison
comparisons with
equals
correction.
expressed by as adjective
That,
as.
as
adjective as.
Hmm. If you use as adjective as, that becomes a positive sentence. If you use not so adjective as, that will become negative sentence. Remember these two rules. Clear? Only we have understood what are those rules. So we haven't started changing the sentence. Clear? So we need to learn how to change the sentence now. I'll give an example. You can identify very easily. So next time I will make a easy board, ma. That will be more good for you. Okay. This is a whiteboard. Ram is as tall as Venkat. Okay. Ram is as tall as Venkat. See here. What is this? Ram is okay, as tall as Venkat. As tall as Venkat. See the sentence, all of you. Ram is as tall as Venkat. This is which degree, ma?
rule 1, sir. Positive.
Comparison of equals.
Yes. This is which degree?
Positive degree, sir.
Yes.
Positive degree, sir.
We have written example for positive degree. Okay. So we need to change to comparative degree now. Which degree?
Comparative degree, sir.
Understood? Now. So why we have to change positive to comparative degree here? Ram is as tall as Venkat. Okay. See, Venkat is not taller than Ram. Venkat is not taller than Ram. Okay. See this two sentences, children. Ram is as tall as Venkat. Venkat is not taller than Ram. Okay, what is the difference between these two sentences? Is there any difference first?
Sir, tall, taller.
No, I'm asking meaning. Ram
The
is as
sentence is
Sir,
negative
that
and
is positive sentence,
yes,
it is
sir.
negative sentence.
Negative sentence.
okay. Ram is as tall as Venkat. Same meaning. Venkat is not taller than Ram. Yes. There is a difference or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It is positive sentence and it is negative sentence.
Yes. In comparative degree, we are using not form. That is why a change has come. So listen, children. In comparative degree, we have to use tall plus er. Tall ear. Next followed by than. Taller than. Venkat is not taller than Ram. Clear? So subject plus verb plus as plus adjective plus okay as then followed by object. Okay, and then the same object here will be coming as a subject in this place. Do remember, when you're changing the object of a positive sentence will become a subject of comparative degree. Remember this. Venkat, Venkat. Same is and is here. Then followed by, instead of writing as, you are writing not form. Venkat is not tall. You are adding er, taller. Then instead of writing as, you are writing then. And the subject of the positive sentence will become object. Remember this. See the structure of positive degree and as well as the comparative degree. So Ram, okay, subject plus okay, helping verb plus as adjective as plus object. So this is the positive sentence structure. Understood? Now positive sentence structure. Negative sentence structure now. Not negative. Comparative degree structure. Comparative sentence. Okay. Now see here. The object of positive degree will become the subject now. So Venkat. So object plus auxiliary verb, auxiliary auxiliary verb. Where it's going? Auxiliary verb plus not form plus adjective plus er plus then plus subject. So this is how you need to change. Understood, children? Ram is as tall as Venkat. Venkat is not taller than Ram. This is the structure how you need to change. The object of positive degree will become the subject. The subject of positive degree will become an object. Remember this. In between, little changes. So what are the changes? Already I have written here. So these sort of things are done, okay, when there is a comparison between two things. When you're comparing two people, here we are comparing Ram and Venkat. When you are comparing like that, we have to use this sort of the structure of sentence. positive sentence to comparative degree. I'll give an example. You do it by yourself, children. Right? Akbar is. Are you writing? Rishita.
Yes, sir.
Rishit. Write fast and tell the answer now itself. Akbar is as cool as sorry, ma. Yes. What did you write? Read one of you.
Akbar is as cool as.
Yes. Akbar is as cool as Ashok.
Ashok is not cooler than Akbar.
Yes. Ashok. See. Ashok is not cooler than Akbar. One more example. Suman is as strong as Raman. Right.
Raman is not stronger as Suman.
Suman.
Suman is as strong as Raman. What is the answer?
Raman is
Write down. Write down.
not as stronger as.
Raman is not as stronger. Sorry, not stronger than
Ashok
Suman.
is.
Raman is not stronger than Suman.
Suman.
That is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Boys, anyone boy, you have to say the answer. Neha is as beautiful as Sweta. Write down. Boys, you have to say the answer now. Neha is as beautiful as Sweta. Change now. Neha is as beautiful as Sweta. Change. Boys, are you present or you have gone somewhere? Yes. Abhinash. Hiranya.
Sir,
Yes, Sema. They're not saying the answer. Yes.
sir,
Neha
can you
is
repeat the question?
Neha is as beautiful as Sweta. Comparative degree.
So can I say?
Sweta
Yes.
is not beautiful than.
Sweta is not more beautiful than.
Good.
Sweta is not more beautiful than Neha.
That's it. Because beautiful is 3-syllable word. So that is why we have to add more. Understood? Sweta is not more beautiful than Neha. Follow this structure, then you'll get the answer. Understood, children? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second rule. Okay. Not second
Sir,
rule.
sir,
Ah.
what is not plus what is that, sir? Not plus here.
Not plus adjective.
Okay, sir.
Not plus adjective plus er plus then plus subject. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Next, followed by when negative sentence come in the exam. So when positive sentence comes, only you have to change to comparative degree. There is no superlative degree, children. When you're comparing two equals Ram and then Venkat, when the positive sentence comes, you have to change like this. So in the examination, if the negative sentence comes, how you have to change, I will show now. All these are very important, children. Don't forget to learn. Okay. By the time you write, one example I'll give you. I am not so tall as you. Negative sentence, keep the heading. Positive degree. For positive degree, you have to change now. Positive degree. Right?